How are you? I hope all are fine. Okay, last class we discussed about what ascending order, descending order, like that and all we learned, right? So up to chapter 2 we completed. So today we are going to see a chapter 3, a new chapter. Okay, chapter number is 3, addition. Already you learned addition, right? In UKG, basic addition you learned, right? So here also some basic addition only, so you have to learn. Okay, addition. Okay, addition of greater number. The third chapter name is addition of greater number. Okay, so all of you take your book. Okay, all of you take your book, take page number 50. Okay, 50, take page number 50. All of you take page number 50. Okay, then take your pencil, then eraser, everything you have to take. Okay ma? So already you know, right? What is the symbol of addition? The symbol of addition is plus. Am I correct? Yes, the symbol of addition is plus. Okay, the symbol of addition is plus. Now everyone listen. Okay, no need to see the book, just listen the video. See here, the first one is combinations of 1. Okay, the combinations of 1. So here you see, here one duck is there, right? So plus, here nothing is there. Only one duck here, no. So here one duck means 1. Plus here nothing is there, so 0. So 1 plus 0 is equal to how much? 1. Okay, if you are adding with 0 with any number, the answer will be the same. Okay, the what number is given, the same answer you have to write. Okay, here also like that. Here see, no, nothing is there, so you have to write 0. Then plus, how many ducks are there? Yes, only 1, so 1. So 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If you are adding with 0, what number you are adding with 0, the same number you have to write. Okay ma, understood? Okay. Then see here, combinations of 2. Combinations of 2, like that only. Here 2 balls are given, here nothing is there. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Am I correct? Yes. So here you see, just see, here 1 ball is there, 1 ball is there. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Like that it is given here. Okay. Then combination of 3, combination of 4, like that and all it's given. Okay. Then combination of 5, combination of 6. Actually what is given means, here you have to add. Here what is given, nothing is there, so 0 is equal to 5. Here also see, one example is given. Here how many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Plus here how many banana? 1. So you have to write 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Here also see, 3 banana, here 2 banana. So 1, 2. So you have to write 2 here. So 3 plus 2 is equal to how much ma? 5. Like that you have to do. Understood? Understood everyone? Yes? Yes. Here you see 2. 1, 2. So you have to write 2 here. Here also 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Like that you have to do. Okay. Do this combination. Okay. Everything, combination of 7, combination of 8, combination of 9, like that you have to add. See one example I will tell and you see how many smileys are there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to write 7 here. Then how many? 2. Then total 9. How it come? You have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9. Am I correct? Like that you have to do the combination. Okay, understood ma? Up to this much you have to complete. It's very easy. Just you have to count and write the answer. Okay, understood? Everyone understood? Yes. So next one, see here, fill in the missing numbers using the number combination. Like that you saw now this number combination method, like that you have to do. See here, here 4 is given, here dash is given, the answer is 4. So what number, if you are adding this both, if you are adding both the numbers, the answer will be 4. So already 4 is given, here 4 is there. So what number will come here? 0. If you are adding 0 with 4 only, the answer will be 4. Okay. simple like combination. Okay, just see here 5 is plus here is equal to 7. 7 is there. Am I correct? Yes. So 5 plus which number will come? If you are adding these two numbers, the answer will be 7. So 5 after what number will come? 6, 7. So how many fingers are there? 2. Like that you have to write. Okay. First what you have to do, inside the box you see the answer is 7. So here 5. 5 is given. So 5 after number you have to say and add with finger. Okay. So 5 after what? Till 7 you have to take. Okay. 5 after 6, 7. So how many fingers? 2. So you have to write 2. Here also the answer is 8. So here 3. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? The answer is 5. Okay, the answer is 5. Understood? Here also the dash is given here. Answer is 9. So 6 after 7, 8, 9. So 3 fingers are there. So you have to write 3 here. Like that combination. Okay. Then here also fill in the missing numbers in the boxes. Okay. So missing numbers in the boxes here. Same like that. See here. Here 8 is the answer. Here 2. Am I correct? So what you have to do? You have to see here 2. Line. You make the line. Okay. 1, 2. Then here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 2 lines are there, right? 2, so 2. So what you have to do? You have to, this 2 you have to cut here. 1, 2. Then remaining how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one you have to write here. Okay? So again 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, understood? How you have to add, I will tell afterwards. Okay. So see here 4 is given. So here 7 is given. What you have to do? Yes, here you have to put 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many lines you have to put? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you have to do? The next step. Here 4 is given. Here also you have to cut the 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how many lines are there? 3. So you have to write here. Understood? Once again I am telling, see here. Here 3, right? So you have to write 3 lines. Here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many lines you have to cut? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Remaining how much? 2. So you have to write 2 here. Understood, ma? Is it very easy? Is it very easy? Right. So little different. So you have to know. Okay. Here just to see here 6 are there. So 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this 7, how many lines you have to cut? 6 lines you have to cut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining how many lines are there? 1. So you have to write 1. Like this you have to write. Okay. Okay, ma, understood everyone? Yes. So next one, see here 1, here 4 is given. So here 1 line, here 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 4 line, how many lines you have to cut? Here 1 is there. So 1 line you have to cut. So totally how much? 3. So you have to write 3 here. Understood everyone? Yes. Then next one, see here 2. Here 2 lines. Here also 2 lines. So how many lines you have to cut? Here 2 lines you have to cut means here nothing is there. So you have to put 0. So now it's easy. First you have to check the answer. The answer is 8. Like that you have to write the answer. Okay, why? How many lines you have to write? Here 8 means 8 lines. 7 means 7 lines. Then the question is what? If the number is 2 means you have to cut 2. If the number is 4 means you have to cut 4. Then remaining how many lines are there? That you have to write. You have to fill in the box. Okay? Understood everyone? So combinations we studied. Then missing numbers. How you have to write the missing numbers. That one also you studied, right? Then next one, main thing, how you have to add the addition. Okay, counting method, how you have to add. If the question is 4 plus 3 means how you have to add and write the answer. Like that you have to learn. Okay, that will be easy for you. Just listen. See here, addition by counting forward. How you have to add. This question is 5 plus 2. Okay, listen carefully. The question is 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 means first what you have to do? You have to think in the mind. First number is 5. Okay, listen carefully. First what you have to do? You have to think. The first number is 5. Then take the 2 fingers. Second one is 2, right? The second number is 2. So you have to take 2 fingers. And count forward. Addition means you have to count forward. Which number you think? 5. How many fingers you take? 2. So 5 after what? 6, 7. So what is the answer here? The answer is 7. Okay, understood, ma? Like that only you have to do. Okay, understood? So see exercise, we will see that exercise, then you will understand. See here, 3 plus 3 is given. What is the answer you have to do? First what you have to do? You have to think the first number. The first number is 3. Then second number is 3. How many fingers? Second number 3. So how many fingers you have to take? 3 fingers you have to take. Am I correct? Yes. So 3 after 4, 5, 6. So totally how much? 6. Take your pencil and write. Okay, 6. Like this only you have to add. This is the main concept. Okay, like that only you are adding. Okay. Okay, ma. Then see the next one. Like this only, same. See here, 15 plus 4. So the first number is 15. Am I correct? Yes. So 15. Then take 4 fingers. Second number is 4. 4 fingers you have to take. So 15 after what number will come? You have to write here. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19. So 15 plus 4 how much? The answer is here. What is the answer? 19. So the answer is 19. Understood? Yes. Here also see here 19 plus 5. So what you have to do? Think which number you have to think. Think the first number. First number is 19. Am I correct? Yes. Then take 5 numbers. Second number is 5. So 19 after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what is the answer? 24. Here you have to write what? 19 after what? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The answer is 24. Like that you have to do. Okay, ma, understood everyone? This is the addition pattern. Okay, this is the addition pattern. Everyone understood? So listen carefully. Okay, see, this is the main method of addition. See here, adding 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Here you see, just you have to add. Okay, see the exercise 3.3 sum. See that one, exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, add the numbers. See, first sum already did, right? So shall we go for second sum? First just listen. Okay, 6 plus 2. First what you have to do? First only the ones place you have to check. Okay, no need to see the tens place. Okay, only you have to choose the ones place. So the ones place is what? 6 plus 2. So first number what you have to say? You have to think the first number. So first number is 6. So you have to think. Then how many fingers you have to take? The second number. So second number is what? The second number is 2. Am I correct? Yes, the second number is 2. So 6 after what number will come? 7, 8. So 8 you have to write here. Again only the 2 is given, right? Here no, nothing is there. So no number means you have to put 0. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Already I said, right, in the combination sum, if you are adding with 0 with any number, the same number you have to write. So here 28 is the answer. Understood, ma? Okay, then next you see here 4 plus 4. So you have to add 4 plus 4. First, what number you have to think? You have to think the first number. The first number is 4. Am I correct? Yes. So think 4 and take 4 fingers. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 8 here. Then here no number, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. So the answer is 58. Okay ma, the answer is 58. Okay. First, what is the concept in addition? The first number you have to think and the second number you have to take in finger. Then you have to count forward. Which number you are thinking, that number you have to count forward. Okay, understood? See here also 1, 5. 41, 5 is given. So 1 plus 5 how much? 1 plus 5. Which number you have to think? 1. Then how many fingers you have to take? 5. So 1 after what number will come? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to write 6 here. Then here no number, 0. So 4 plus 0, 46. So it is very easy, right? Everyone now understood the concept? Very easy, okay ma? So see the next sum. 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 means what? Yes, the first number you have to think in mind. Second number you have to take in finger. So 5 plus 3 how much? 5 after 6, 7, 8. So here you have to write 8. Here no number, 0. So 3 plus 0, 3. Understood? So the answer is 38. So what you have to do? The first number you have to take in mind and the second number you have to take in finger. So 5 after, the first number is 5. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. Like that you have to write. Understood ma? Yes. The next one you see 46, 61. So 6 plus 1. So you have to take 6 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 6 after 7. So you have to write 7 here. Then 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now understood everyone? So these 3 sums you have to do as a homework. Okay, 7, 8 and 9. Like this model. Understood ma? So everyone completed this one. 28, 58, 46, 38 and 47. Okay. Okay, if you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay, you have to contact me and ask. Okay ma, no problem. Okay, the next one, see here, exercise 3.4. The same method. Here, how many digit numbers? 2 digit numbers. Here, 1 digit number. Am I correct? 13 means 2 digit number. 5 is a 1 digit number. But here, see here both the numbers are 2 digit. Am I correct? 42, 45. So here also 2 digit numbers are that. Here are. That is the different. But same model only. Here 1 digit number is given. But here what is that? 2 digit numbers. That is the different but same model only. See, first in the ones place 2 plus 5. So you have to add 2 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 5 is equal to how much? What you have to do? What is the concept of addition? Yes, you have to think. 2 you have to think. 5 you have to take in finger. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to write 7 here. Then 4 plus 4. Again 4 you have to think in mind. Take 4 finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 8 here. Very easy, right? Yes? Yes. Is it very easy, right? Yes. The next one, 21, 67. Same method. First you have to think 1. Then you have to take 7 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 8 here. Again, 2 in the mind. Take 6 finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that you have to do 8. Understood? So what is the difference between this and this? Here the number is given. First number is 2 digit number. The next one is 1 digit number. But here both the numbers are 2 digit number. But same method only. Addition method. Okay. So here you see 5 plus 1. No need to add like this. Ones place means 5 and 1 is there, so 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means you have to think 5 in the mind. Take one finger, 5 after 6. So you have to write 6 here. Then 7 in the mind, take 2 finger, 7 after 8, 9. Okay, 96. The next one, 6 in the mind, take 3 finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9. Okay, then 8 in the mind, take 1 finger, 8 after 9. Okay ma, understood everyone? Everyone understood? Like that, in the ones place, what is the number you given? The first number you have to think, okay? So 3 you have to think. The next number take in finger. So 3 after 4, 5, 6. So you have to write 6 here. Then 5 plus 3. So 5 you have to think in mind. 3 you have to take in finger. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. Like that you have to do. So here also 3 sums as homework. Okay, you have to do as a homework. Here also I gave homework. Okay. So addition means symbol is plus. Understood ma? Addition means the symbol is plus. So what you have to do? First you have to think the first number. Then second number you have to take in finger. Then you have to count forward. 5 after what number will come, you have to count forward and fold the finger. Okay, like that you have to do. Okay, if you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Understood ma? Understood everyone? So see here, here also some more problems are there. More problems are there. If you are in free time, again and again you have to do this problem. Okay, see here, the question is story sums. I have 6 pencils, mom gave me 3 more. So you have to add these two. So only one digit numbers are there. One digit number means where you have to write? You have to write here 6. Then this 3 you have to write here. Then you have to add and write the answer. Okay. Here also 17 butterflies, 2 digit numbers. Then you have to write like this. 10 more join them. So you have to write like this. Then you have to add. If it is a 1 digit number means you have to write in the ones place. 2 digit number means like this, ones and tens. Okay, if it is a 1 digit number means you have to, here you see mom bought 12 apples. So 12 you have to write here, and 4 pineapples. This is a single digit number, so you have to write in the ones place. No need to write in the tens place. Okay, and 4 pineapples you have to write in the ones place. Okay, then you have to add. Then here also there are 25 girls and 22 boys in my class. So here you have to write 25, then 22. Then you have to add. Like the same model. Okay, if you know the concept means it's very easy. Here also like this. Okay, see here there are 15 monkeys and 10 deer. So here you have to write 15 and 10. Then you have to add. Understood ma? Then here also 45 English books and 25 maths books. So here you write 45, here you write 23. Then here means 15 and 23. Here also 43 and 33. So you have to write like this. Okay. Next class you have to do this homework. Then in the free time you have time now, some holidays came means you have to do these sums. Okay. Okay ma, understood? If you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Okay, this is the addition method. Understood? So addition means what you have to do? Only the first number you have to think, and the second number you have to take in finger, then count forward. This is the concept. Okay, think the first number and take fingers in the second number and just count forward. This is the method. Okay. So in the ones place means you have to count in the ones place. In the tens place means you have to count in the tens place. That is the method. Okay. Here also in the ones place means you have to count in the ones place and write the answer. In the tens place you have to count the tens place and write the answer. Understood? Understood ma? So you have to learn. Okay. So today we studied addition. If you have any doubt, you have to contact me and ask. Okay. Okay students, copy everything. Then if you have time means again and again you have to do the worksheet, everything you have to do. Okay ma? Okay, thank you. Bye bye.